this is your first time here, I'm Siobhan. If you've been here before, you've probably heard me talk about this. This is the Too Faced Gingerbread palette. This is their 2018 holiday palette. I've been saying that I was going to review it, or at least do a first impression. This is my first time opening it because I'm finally getting around to it. It's been a rough few weeks. And then I also have their holiday collection of the mini liquid lipsticks, and these are the Sweet Smell of Christmas. So I will go through the eyeshadow palette, and then I'll go through, actually, just in case somebody is here just to see lip swatches, I'll do the lip swatches first. I am going to actually put each one on so that you can see it on my fair skin. I don't have any other makeup on yet because after I do the video just showing the palette and lipsticks, I'm going to go ahead and do an actual video recording the full thing. This is even really cute just in like the little, like you can use this as a little stand. This is just the cardboard insert that was in the package. So I'm going to try to do this from lightest to darkest. The first one is Sugar Cookie. Here it is in the tube. These do all have Christmas scents as well. Oh, I'm pretty sure they're supposed to smell like what they're named. So this one is Sugar Cookie. So this is not a color that I normally would have purchased because it is pretty light for me, but I actually don't hate it. And if I had my foundation on and my skin was completely even, it would probably stand out a little bit better. So I'm excited to have that one. The next one is Hot Buttered Rum. The packages are so cute too. Yeah, that smells like hot buttered rum. So this one, when I was in Ulta purchasing this, there was a girl there who had a much deeper skin tone, and she was, I think she was probably friends with the girl that was working there, I'm not sure. But they were trying on the lipsticks from this collection, and they asked me if I would mind trying them since I had the box in my hand and was clearly planning on buying them. And the reason that they did that was because the girl who worked there was saying that she felt like these, like the hot buttered rum pulled really orange on fair skin. And it definitely did, like compared to the girl with the deeper skin tone. On her, that shade looked very brown, and on me it definitely looks much more orange. So, like if you just see that color and you're in love with it, I would suggest, if you're not as fair as me, going online and looking up other people, see if you can find a photo of somebody else with more of your specific skin tone just to see how it's going to pull. The next one is Pumpkin Spice. Oh yeah, that smells pumpkin spicy. So this color though is what made me decide that I wanted this pack. So absolutely love this. If you're not familiar with the Too Faced Melted Matte formula, then it, just so you know, it is something that it goes on very opaque. and they're very comfortable. They are, if not my favorite liquid lipstick formula, definitely in the top 3. And definitely glad there are only 4 in this collection for me to swatch, because my lips are already, you can see they're getting like red around them from wiping them off. So the last one is Cinnamon Bear. It's not quite as strongly scented as the other ones. This one is like, it kind of smells like liquid lipstick with cinnamon candy in it. Very orange. And again, it's a shade that, depending on your skin tone, is probably going to pull more one way or the other. So I recommend finding somebody that has a similar skin tone. I'm going to go ahead and leave this one on. Okay, so I decided I'm actually going to record the gingerbread palette separately, just because it's going to probably take me a lot of time to edit that video, and editing the lipsticks isn't going to take me very long. And when I'm going out to make purchases, I'm always looking to see whether or not somebody with a similar skin tone has tried stuff on, so that I can see what it actually looks like on. So I want to get stuff up as quickly as possible, especially since it's taken me so long to get around to doing this. I will try and get the video for the palette up right behind the video for the lipsticks, but it might be a day longer, just depending, since it's my first time doing a video with any kind of eyeshadow swatches. I just don't know how long it's going to take to film or to edit. So I hope that you come back to watch that. If you would like me to do swatches of anything else, let me know. I enjoy doing them. I'm probably better at lip swatches than I am going to be with eyeshadow swatches, since I've never done them before, and I put my lipstick on every day. So wherever you are, I hope that you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening. Thank you for stopping by.